Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Beoble token. Now the Beoble token is getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this coin and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this coin or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this is a brand new token. It's on the ERC30 Ethereum network. According to their Etherscan, it says 5 holders, so they're not even available yet on Uniswap. There is 18 decimal places on this token, a max total supply of 1 billion tokens, and ticker symbol is BBL. Now, it was just announced that this token will be getting a brand new central exchange listing starting February 28th at 12 p.m. UTC time on a very big central exchange called Gate.io. So if you want to get this token, all you'd have to do is download Gate from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC at Gate.io. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then go into the trade section on February 28th and search BBL, and then simply just buy the token. Now, how the token is split up here, how it's distributed, 10% went to private sale, pre-seed round, another 10% went to the seed round, 4.5% KOL angel sale, then we have 10%, excuse me, then we got 10% going to protocol development, 15% going to the ecosystem, 16.38% going to the treasury, 20% team, 1.62% public sale, 12.5% airdrops and marketing. Now you can find their webpage at beoble.io, and over there you're going to find all their social links and even a white paper. It'll take you to docs.beoble.io. Now, Beoble is a communication infrastructure and ecosystem that allows users to chat between wallets. Our product includes a web-based chat app, as well as a toolkit that allows dApps to integrate. Our chat app supports most major wallets, and all messages are end-to-end encrypted. Beoble provides a high-quality Web3 messaging experience to end users. So far in the Web3 industry, there have been several attempts to provide a messaging feature for users, while most of them have failed to continuously retain users due to the lack of quality compared to those in Web 2. Thus, Beoble aims to provide a Web3 messaging experience to all Web3 users with below objectives. No compromise on privacy and security. No compromise on user experience compared to those of Web 2. Appropriately reward users as a user-owned Web3 product. Leverage Web3 data as much as possible and provide a unique Web3 messaging experience. Beoble provides messaging and social modules with APIs and SDKs for Web3. With Beoble, Web3 services can easily integrate messaging and social profile functionalities into their services in 5 minutes. Beoble's core features as an infrastructure include modularized wallet-to-wallet messaging, social profile and DID, and CS tool for Web3 Zendesk and Intercom. Beoble offers seamless integration with any native dApps with our API SDK modules with the following benefits. Effortless UI integration with our API SDK modules with native social features and improved user experience. Adds in-app organic engagement to native dApps, which improves user retention and user acquisition. So they have some frequently asked questions on their document section, like what is Beoble? In short, it's the WhatsApp of Web3. Our chat app allows crypto wallets and owners to message each other, and our integration toolkit allows dApps to add a great communication experience to their products fast. Now, there's also Beoble Labs. So Beoble Labs is a team of talented Web3 people that contribute to Beoble. Beoble Labs consists of ex-employees of prominent companies like Citadel, Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Microsoft, and Meta. Our only ambition is to make people chat in Web3. Which blockchain can I use to log into Beoble? Currently, Beoble is supporting all EVMs like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, etc. And they have plans in the future to expand to other blockchains like Solana, Cosmos, Flow, Aptos, and Sui in the coming future. Now, does Beoble aim to build a fully decentralized messaging ecosystem? And the answer is yes. We are building a decentralized end-to-end encryption and peer-to-peer messaging ecosystem with the greatest user experience for Web3 users by leveraging Web3 data. And you can find more information about that in their architecture section. So they have a whole features section where you can learn about chatting, earning, following, and discovering. Then they have a whole architecture section where you can learn about encryption, privacy, communication, delivery graph, decentralized identity and social graph, cross-chain data connectivity. Then they have the development section where they go over online integration, toolkit, JavaScript, API. Then they have the data definition section with the chat, messaging, chat room, user, DID, etc. Now, where will my data be stored? We use both decentralized storage, Arweave, IPFS, etc., and your local device. No messaging data will be stored on-chain due to security risks. And how does the network actually work? We deliver messages via communication delivery graph, which is a decentralized encryption network designed to protect the privacy of our users. And will I be able to run my own Beoble node? And the answer is yes. Our nodes are planned to become public. Thus, we are conducting loads of safety testing and going through multiple rounds of audits. And they can go over security of the project. They also have user experience and features, user ownership and rewards, etc. Check it all out, docs.beoble.io. And you'll be able to find this token newly listed soon as of February 28th on Gate. So check it out there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.